Hey guys, how to get first order on Fiverr? Let's go. So guys, without further ado, I want to show you just very quickly how to get your first order. If not today, hopefully today. If not today, then tomorrow, guys. So guys, the best thing that you need to do, I'm going to go through a few steps. So the first thing that I think you should do is make sure that you check everything first of all. To be seen on Fiverr, you need to increase your impressions, right? That's one thing you need to do. So to increase your impressions so that you're more visible, you need to make sure that your title is good. Go and check out titles from people that are selling quite well. So very quickly, I'm going to show you the inside of one of my gigs, which I'm showing you now. But very quickly, obviously mine's about, this one says, I'll be your Amazon FBA coach, business consultant, and mentor. So what I've done is in that title, I've touched on a few things of what I do. I'm a coach, I'm a consultant, and I'm a mentor in case people search for that. And then also don't forget, make sure that you're not over 80 characters. Mine is just perfect. It says 55 characters. But what I would do is, if I was you, search for the actual gig that you wanna sort of sell, right? And then type it in the search. So Amazon FBA coach, and then have a look at the good ones, people that are ranked on the first page. But don't look at the ones that have loads and loads of reviews. Look at ones that have only a few reviews but are on the first page because they're doing something right. Okay, so let's say this guy here, right? He's got 3, but he's ranked on the first page, which is good. So I'll be your Amazon FBA consultant, business mentor, or coach. So again, like mine, he's mentioned some key words. So check out people first of all, and just use something a bit similar. Just change it up a little bit different. Who have ranked on the first page but with low reviews. That's step 1, right? Let me go back. Step 2, guys. So then you need to make sure you're in the right category. Funny enough, some people are actually in the wrong category that their gig is in. So you need to go back, check, make sure that you're in the right category. So if I look at that same guy, he looks like he seems to be in the right place. So if I click his gig and then I look at where he is, he's there. Business, e-commerce management, consultation. Right. So what I need to do is e-commerce management. You can see consultation. I'm in the right place, right? I'm good. So you need to make sure you're in the right category. Right, next, guys, this is going to be quick. You need to make sure you got the right tags, good tags. So my tags are business consultant, coaching, coach, and so on. So you need to make sure you're in the right place, guys. Also, Amazon, because it is to do with Amazon, FBA coach. So Amazon as well. Check your tags, guys. Check the tags that they relate to the similar things that other people have said in their gigs, guys. So actually look at what they've got, right? So then what you need to do is go to your pricing. Now pricing is key, especially at the beginning. You need to price a little bit less than everybody else. A little bit less, guys. Look at this guy. Look, a prime example. £4.35, cheap, guys. But look, I know that once he starts getting like a lot of customers and reviews, he's going to turn that £4 into £87 or £34. See, this is what you do, guys. You step it up later. Now is all about trying to get the reviews. So the cheaper it is, the better it is in the long run, right? That's your second, that's the next thing you need to do. Okay, so just check out and make sure that your pricing is good. Next, guys, description, FAQs. This is so important. People kind of, they kind of leave this, but this is also quite big. You need to have something where you explain exactly what you do, what you can provide people with, what you can offer, and then say that you can help anytime and that kind of thing, guys. It's so important. So check out descriptions from people. Like I said, check out people that it works for, that they've done really well, and see what they've written. You can just see what others have done, but ones that have ranked really well. Okay, that's the next thing. Then after that, it comes very important, which is some questions. You can do some FAQs, and then what is going to give you the conversion is your images or video, right? So if you're good at communicating, if you can communicate well, can do a video of yourself talking, then do a video, because I think that goes a long way. That's what I've done. I've done a video of me talking. But also, guys, probably the most important thing is getting an image or images that really get people to want to click your gig, guys. It's so important. So my advice is, and this is what most of the people on Fiverr use something called Canva. And Canva is probably one of the best design softwares out there. I use it for everything. So I use Canva for everything. This is my Canva account, and I use it for everything. My thumbnails, my Fiverr work, everything, guys. It's amazing. It's the best. So guys, you can check out a free trial in the description below, and you can see how it is for you. But I think you'll love it. So guys, check that out. And then what you can do is, and you can also check out my playlist of how I actually design, thumbnails and designs on there as well. So guys, make sure you got a nice, interesting graphic. So let's say, I don't know, mine is to do with Amazon business. I've got a picture of me standing there. You can see I can move me around there. I got some information, got the Amazon logo. Try and get the logo that you're relating to. Try and get the information nice and clear. Try and use the similar colors, because look, Amazon's kind of orange, black, white. Use similar colors. That will entice people and also show that what it's about. Try to give a bit of extra information, and yeah, make it simple, guys, not too complicated, right? So that's the other thing. That's what will make you stand out. Next, guys, so after that, once you've done it and you've done the gig, then that's it. Then you put it out there, and then what you need to do is you need to do a few things, guys. People forget this and they don't do this. So there's a place that says share your gig, and you need to make sure that you share it. At the top of your gig, when you go to wanting to edit it, it says share. And what I suggest is you go on your social media, if you got any, Instagram, TikTok, whatever it is, you can actually share this out there, and then get people to kind of, see your gig outside of Fiverr. They allow you to do it, so you need to really use that. Okay. Yeah. So guys, that is how you get your first order. That's exactly how you do it, step by step. And actually, I'll give you one more hint. If you're going to do a gig, you need to do a gig that you can actually be seen in or have impressions. Now you can see the gig that I've done is called the Amazon FBA Coach gig, and I get seen quite a lot. And why do I get seen? Is because if you look here, the services are not massively competitive. So I've got 431 services that are available. So that means I'm able to rank quite well on this. And this is what you need to do. You need to rank on something quite well. And you need to be able to rank. So if you're going to do something like, say, I don't know, graphic design, right? Just graphic design, if we call it. I've got a few videos where I explain how this all works. So check out the playlist on Fiverr. Now look at this. Graphic design, if you're trying to just get into graphic design, that keyword, it's got 21,664 services available. You're not going to get in like this unless you drill down to a particular niche. And like I said, I talk about this. So graphic design logos, let's see if that goes less than 21,000. Graphic design logos, actually 197,000, even more. That's too much. So that one isn't easy to get into. So what you have to do is you have to think about a category that you can get into. So make sure it's got low services available. Because if it's too many services, it's very hard to rank for, and then therefore very hard to get orders for. Okay, so think carefully about what it is that you want to do and what services you want to offer. And then what I would do is you need to add more words to it. So for example, if it's graphic design, so you might do graphic design for wedding cards, right? Wedding cards. You're being specific. Being specific will enable you to get those orders quick. Look at that. 3,548, way less competition than before. And that's what you have to do. Be specific to get your first order, guys. Guys, I hope you liked the video. Remember, check out Canva in the free trial in the description. You can do all your designs on there. And guys, if you did like the video, hit the like, subscribe, smash the notification bell, and I'll see you on the next one, guys. Don't forget to check out the playlist. Take care. See you on the next one.